Change is the only constant. This applies to your professional life as well. Upskilling yourself is a need nowadays. The reason is pretty simple: technology is evolving very quickly. We need to identify and invest our time in the top 10 trending technologies which will attract a huge market in 2021. Brain-machine interface, intelligent robots and DNA computing may sound like a plotline from the latest Hollywood blockbuster, but we expect these emerging technologies to potentially have a transformational impact on our everyday lives. Today we are going to talk about top 10 trending technologies in 2021. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more future videos. Number 1 to 5G technology. 5G technology is the next generation of cellular networks and services. It is expected to provide at least 20 Gbps downlink and 10 Gbps uplink, which will make the 5G network to be at least 40 times faster than current 4G LTE. This will open doors for new services, network operations and customer experience for telecom operators. Currently, the market is led by Switzerland, closely followed by South Korea and the US. Number 9, Internet of Behaviours. The collection and use of data to drive behaviors is called the Internet of Behaviours, IoB. An example of it is industrial sites having employed computer vision to determine if employees were complying with mask protocol and then collecting this behavioral data to be analyzed by the organizations to influence people to follow government protocols at work. IoB can gather, combine and process data from many sources including citizen data processed by public sector, commercial customer data, government agencies, social media. Public domain, location tracking. The increasing sophistication of the technology that processes this data has enabled this trend to grow. Companies investing in IoB, AWS, Cisco, SAP, Microsoft, HP, IBM, Dell, Cloudera. Number 8, DevSecOps. DevSecOps is short for Development, Security and Operations. Its objective is implementing security at the same scale and speed as development and operations, and not just for the sake of it. With the wider adoption of microservices, DevSecOps seems to find its way deeper into our DevOps market. That's not all. An anywhere operations model will be vital for businesses to emerge successfully from this current economy. At its core, this operations model allows for a business to be accessed, delivered and enabled anywhere. This format is now exploring various other aspects of technology like GitOps, DataOps and NoOps. Companies investing in DevSecOps: Amazon, NASA, Capgemini, Dell, Oracle. Number 7, Intelligent Process Automation. Robotic process automation is basically the idea that anything that can be automated, should be automated. This year, we've discovered something even more fascinating: intelligent process automation. IPA, in a nutshell, allows bots to benefit from the abilities of artificial intelligence, big data, machine learning, meaning they can learn and improve over time. This helps these intelligent bots evolve from the if this then that rule. As the adoption of automation is expected to grow, investment in IPA is estimated to reach $232 billion by 2025. Companies investing in IPA: KPMG, AWS, Microsoft. Number 6, Tactile virtual reality. Innovative technologies offer more immersive experiences like AR and VR. Virtual reality immerses the user in a simulated environment. Augmented reality is an overlay of technology in the real world. Cisco forecasts that globally, AR/VR traffic will increase 12-fold by 2022 in all fields of entertainment. Touch gives us a deeper understanding of the things which cannot be fully experienced by sight or hearing. That is where tactile virtual reality comes into play. It combines the use of several types of technologies including sensors, advanced optics, etc. bundled into a single device that provides the capability to overlay augmented digital content into your real-time space. With the advancement of tactile, haptic technology, the touch barrier can now be scaled. Companies investing in tactile VR: Oculus, Virtuix, Cisco. Number 5, Big Data Analytics. Big data analytics has been there in the market for quite some time now. More and more businesses are adopting it to go beyond the traditional ways of data storage and processing. New trends such as X analytics are being used to find solutions to challenges, including climate change, disease prevention and wildlife protection. Big data also gives us interesting trends like decision intelligence, which provides a framework to help data engineers to design, model, execute and monitor decision models and processes in the context of business outcomes and behavior. In fact, by 2023, more than 33% of large organizations will have analysts practicing decision intelligence. Companies investing in big data analytics: Amazon, Netflix, Starbucks, Spotify, Google, Adobe. Number 4, human augmentation. Humans have continually experimented with technology to enhance life as they know it. This curiosity has now entered another territory: human augmentation, which basically means taking the help of technologies like artificial intelligence and Internet of Things, to not only enhance our daily lives but also to take human intelligence to the next level. Currently, the studies have been racing towards helping people with disabilities with bionics and prosthetic augmentation and curing sickness by experimenting with genes. But the promise is to end the existing physical disabilities or prevent injuries from happening at all. It can also provide opportunities for other creative functions. For example, companies like Neuralink aim to build an incredibly powerful brain-machine interface, with the power to process magnanimous amounts of data. Companies investing in human augmentation: Neuralink, Google, Samsung, XO. Number 3, everything as a service, XaaS. Everything as a service, XaaS, is a cloud computing term for the extensive variety of services and applications emerging for users to access on demand over the internet as opposed to being utilized via on-premises means. It gives you the flexibility to customize your computing environments to craft the experiences desired, all on demand. XaaS has expanded to incorporate many services such as function as a service, IT as a service, infrastructure as a service, security as a service, database are a service. As these applications become even more portable, compute cycles easier to procure in real time, data integration platforms streamline connectivity, and vendors form cross-platform alliances, that multi-cloud trend might start looking more like an omni-cloud one in the near future. Companies investing in XaaS, HPC, Red Hat, VMware, AWS, Google Cloud, Microsoft Azure. Number 2, cybersecurity. With so many organizations undergoing huge digital transformations, awareness of the ongoing looming presence of cyber attacks continues to grow, not only for large organizations but also for small businesses. Now, cybersecurity is nothing new, but its trends definitely are. Virtual Dispersive Network, VDN, is a unique approach to cybersecurity, wherein a signal is transmitted in short bursts or quantum packets, which can't be covertly read without disrupting their content. Basically, no one can intercept data sent to you without introducing some noise in it. Blockchain cybersecurity is a more modular, responsive security approach by centralizing orchestration and distributing enforcement. It's starting to dawn on companies that having an effective cybersecurity strategy is not just a luxury but an absolutely necessity. Companies investing in cybersecurity: Cisco, Red Hat, IBM. Number 1, artificial intelligence. A robust artificial intelligence implementation will facilitate the performance, scalability, and reliability while delivering the complete return on investments. But AI projects often face certain issues which makes them a challenge for most organizations. But there are new solutions fashioned to face these problems. Artificial intelligence engineering offers to make AI a part of the mainstream DevOps process rather than a set of specialized and isolated projects. This solves issues with maintainability, scalability, and governance. Tiny AI aims to create algorithms to shrink existing deep learning models without losing their capabilities, to pack more computational power into tighter physical spaces, and on far less energy. This revolutionary technology is all set to bring about another revolution and hence, is on our list of trending technologies. That's a wrap for Top 10 Trending Technologies in 2021. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more future videos.